Good morning. Welcome to Majestic Unicorn Dreams. Majestic Misty. So what has changed from this year of blogging to last year of blogging? Not the fact that I don't like waking up early. It's 6:30. I don't have to be awake. I don't have to. I gotta go to work today. Why am I awake? Why am I awake? Just cuz. Just cuz. That's the only reason I got. Just cuz. I do not like waking up early. Now come tomorrow 6:30 when it's time to go back to work, I'm going to be hitting the snooze button and like racing the clock because I don't wake up on time. But when I don't gotta be up, I'm up. This is God's little way of saying, this is why you have to set 20 alarms in the morning. And then I just sprinkle a little dust on you and you wake up. So yeah, good morning. The vlog is pretty much going to be the vlog. I'm going to vlog it, put it up at night, try to get it up at night after Pillow Talk. If I don't, I'll get it up going live in the morning, the next morning, so it'll be just one day behind. Excuse me, I have not decided on content material yet. Good morning, Leia. If you haven't been to my channel or haven't been around much, I no longer have Optimus and Sony. They have both passed away. Sony passed away in September. Very difficult to lose your service animal. But Leia is a sweet, sweet, sweet girl. She's a German Shepherd. 75, 80 pounds, full grown. And I have a Snickers. A Snickers is a chocolate lab that's 7 months old and is dopey as hell. She's going to be a big girl. She's sweet as sugar. But she's right now, her legs are too big, her ears are too long, her head is weird. She's in that teenage gangly, weird looking stage. But she's a sweet girl. But yeah, so I'm going to vlog. I'm going to do content. It's going to be here. You can find it through my link tree on TikTok, which I will link here as well. Accountability. That is what my YouTube has always been about for me, is accountability. Whether it's accountability that I just stick to doing something and not just giving up, whether it's accountability for my mental health, whether it's accountability for a better me, whether it's accountability that I walk more, whatever the accountability is for, we will list it, manifest it, and make it come true. So right now I'm just gonna chill, maybe go back to sleep. Hope everybody has a great day. Hopefully it's Martin Luther King for you. It means a day off. I know it does not mean a day off for everybody, so I hope it does mean a day off for you. I will see you all in just a little bit. What's up? This is what I call Pillow Talk. Because we've done the day. The excitement of the day is pretty much over. By Pillow Talk, I've already showered. Hair is possibly already done for the day tomorrow or prepped. My face is already have moisturizer on it right now. I am using, I have a touch light. I am using Milk and Honey. This is my main morning routine and night routine for 30 days. You know, you gotta do 30 days to find out if it is in fact something you want to continue to use after 30 days. It goes on the chest, the neck, the face, and any extra that I happen to pull out by accident, I always put on my elbows or the backs of my hands, because it's skin. It all ages, and you know, we are all fighting aging in our own way. So Today is MLK. No school today. I got hair in my mouth. There we go. No school today. I haven't been in school since, I'm going to say January 7th. I came back very sick after our break. Got acute bronchitis, acute sinusitis. Going back to work for the first day tomorrow. I can't promise anything with COVID. We have quite a high rate of positivity and a low rate of attendance, and I don't know what's going on. So that's the story. Hope everybody had a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the morning. Do those few little things. I only ask, so that I can, get this thing going again, because for me, this is accountability, which I will talk about tomorrow, the things that I want to be accountable for. So for now, because I'm exhausted, I'm going to go ahead and go to sleep. I'm going to upload, edit, which means just push them together and let it go. So I hope you all have a great night. 3 things: thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you all in the morning.